Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Spectrum TV app guide not working, channel guide and listings troubleshooting. Fix 1. Refresh your Spectrum account data. Technical glitches or configuration updates often missing your package details from the application guide. Using a computer, log into your account in the Spectrum support website, then navigate to the services and from there select the TV tab. Then click on Reset Equipment. Using a remote for streaming devices/boxes, press Menu, then scroll down to Settings and Support. From there, select Account Overview and go to the Equipment Info, and from there, highlight Reset Data. Fix 2. Verify network connectivity and location permissions. First, reboot the router. Unplug your router for 60 seconds, then plug it back in to resolve guide connectivity timeouts, such as error code RG10001. Next is to toggle network adapters. If using a smart TV, toggle the internal Wi-Fi adapter off and then back on, or switch to a physical Ethernet cable. Next, enable location permissions. Ensure the device running the Spectrum app has location tracking turned on. If the app cannot confirm you are on your home network, local channel grids may fail to populate. Fix 3. Power cycle and clear the app cache. First, close the app. Close the Spectrum TV entirely from your device's background running processes. Next, clear cache. Go to your device settings, for example, Roku, Fire TV, Samsung TV. Now locate the Spectrum TV app and clear its data/cache. Power cycle your device. Unplug your TV or streaming device from the wall outlet for 2 minutes to clear system RAM before relaunching the app. Fix 4. Check for software and firmware updates. An outdated app or TV firmware can trigger missing configuration dependencies, such as guide error codes HL11000 or LCM1000. So update the app. Open your device's App Store, Google Play, Apple App Store, Roku Channel Store, and check for pending updates to the Spectrum TV. Update TV firmware. Manually trigger a system software update check within your smart TV or hardware settings. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.